Makaih.
Drop.
Yep.
Hey guys, we're back. It's the next day. Hey, Gilly's with us. Say hi.
Hi.
Adam and I are here. Yep. We ran, got our errands. Unfortunately, Don's Hot Rod Shop was closed. It is the second. It's a Saturday after New Year's. But we got a lot going on today. We were still able to get most of the stuff that we needed. Got us electric fan, funnels, some header bolts, plugs, wires, all that good stuff. Fluids for tranny and the rear end. So that should set us up. Gilly's already been working on getting the suspension back set up. He actually put these cool spacers inside the shock, so if the shock compresses, it won't rip the body of the car off. So we'll have to test that. He's working on this side over here, getting that all squared away, getting the sway bar put on. With that, Adam and I are going to work on motor stuff and trying to get the fuel system finally put in this thing. So we're going to do a temporary thing from the fuel tank over because we couldn't get any braided line today. Both of the hot rod shops in Tucson were closed, but we're going to get it worked. Well, we're still trying to fire up in this video. So that's our goal. That's our plan. So let's get started. All right, due to pitiful oversight on my part because I suck at ordering parts and getting the right stuff. No, I'm joking. Well, I'm not joking. We don't have the correct fuel line. We need number 10 to go from the tank to our pump. But I thought I had it, but it's actually 12, so we have to wait till tomorrow morning to get a piece of fuel line to go from there. So Adam's now going to work on mounting and getting the fuel regulator in this area. So that's what Adam's doing. I'm still doing wiring, but we're getting close, which is fabulous. So here we go.
Hey, does that drill bit work better?
I haven't drilled the whole drill bit yet. I decided to start putting a fuel filter in because everybody's like, oh, I guess you ought to have a fuel filter.
You mean everybody, you mean the world.
That's what I'm talking about.
So you're telling me, Greg, there is plastic on the inside of this panel that already has stuff bolted to it.
No, I pulled it off where it's bolted to it.
Just not anywhere else.
No.
Not underneath the brake line.
It has plastic from here down.
What about this up on the
How
top
the
here?
hell are you gonna rivet that one?
I don't know. Figure it out. Very careful.
But you do that one. And that one. I have most of it.
Oh, that stuff stinks.
The silicone? I haven't even used it yet.
Hey Adam, I find it hard to write the next line.
Oh, I know. That's how it is when you're around me. I just make your brain spin. Get all mushy inside.
All these users, man.
See, I told you.
Yeah, no.
No way, knowing how you completely through this life.
Do you have any glasses?
Man, that shit's hard, isn't it? How long is that piece? That long enough?
This piece? Oh no, that's what I'm trying to find out. I need 90s and I don't have them. That's my issue right now. That's my issue I'm gonna have here, I think. But I mean, I'm gonna make it work, but it's not gonna be right.
It is a shame that this table is covered with shit.
Oh, you can do straights. Maybe. Where's that gotta go?
Right there. See how aggressive it is?
Wait a minute, which one's it gotta go to?
This one.
Mm. Too long.
No.
Which really sucks.
And I don't think you're gonna be able to even get like that's
It'll go if
that's
you
a
can shorten
hard bend. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna use this steel braid anyway.
Yeah.
I was just seeing how long I need and if this is even capable. I mean, to make it run, we already got the piece.
Right there.
Yeah.
Flip her around.
There you go. It runs. I fixed it. All done.
You know how you fix that problem?
A grinder with a cutoff wheel. All fixed. Top quality work. That's how we do it in this shop.
That's definitely Jack's connectors. You need to make sure those carburetor bolts are tight enough too. I don't know how you
Did
are.
we ever grease that? Do you remember? I
What?
don't think we did. The gasket.
No. You probably don't want to put that on yet, because we're probably gonna
I just want to see how it looks, how terrible it looks.
I mean, those pretty red fittings match your aeromotive regulator.
Yeah, it's true. You know what I want? You know why I want this on here? Fuel system done!
All right, I've been designated to the gas tank, so here we go. Yeah.
Gas tank now. Here. You ready? Do you have the alternate for the outside? Or the- It is alternate. Yep, that fits. How close you think I got? Close enough. Roll it forward.
Well, that was a struggle. Gas tank, check. When we get the right hose that we were fitting, hose that we weren't, we're going to take that out, but that's just to get us to possibly be able to start this. So, yeah, that's done. Next. Next.
Radiator.
Time to do the radiator. So, yeah, we're going to put the shroud on. We're going to put the electric fan on. We are going to put the upper hinge on. Yeah, all of that good stuff to make the radiator work. No, I don't watch any sports.
What racing?
No. My dad was a Texas high school football coach.
Well, oh
So-
boy.
And I mean, I ran.
So you grew up
I grew up with.
taking all the games?
We went to a lot of them, but I didn't play football. I ran cross country and track just 'cause
Oh,
I
yeah.
wasn't big.
Yeah.
But that was in our house. Football is
Was it, huh?
football's still life, and you gotta get it.
Greg
Football
was-
is
That's
still
Texas,
life.
right?
Greg
Oh,
was full sponsor of Schwinn bicycle.
I used to race mountain bikes
He was on the
professionally.
Schwinn bicycle
Was
team.
that right?
Full ride, yeah.
I used to ride for Schwinn and for track.
Wow.
So, but it's not mainstream sports. I never. Every now and then I can sit down and watch it, but for the most part,
Yeah.
Do you watch Red Bull mountain biking?
no, I don't watch any of it.
Yeah. You know that Matt Mulebauer?
That Red Bull, that mountain biking stuff where they're like
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
Moab desert, and they got that crazy course,
Yeah.
and like the trails like that narrow, and then they fly.
There's like 300-foot drop off.
300-foot drop-offs. Oh, that is serious stuff. And they're flying down this, and
Yeah, they're going like 50, 60
they got
miles
like
an hour.
they got like cameras like set up to film, and they also have like one on the rider's helmet,
So you can see
and
it?
you can see they're just hauling ass.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I love it. I love watching Red Bull.
Boom. All right, guys, radiators in. We got the lower mount done. We've already set the angle for what we're going for here. We gotta get this at 58 degrees, and I know the camera's not gonna be able to see it, but that says 58 to me. So 58 degrees. So we're good. Locked in. I'll pull this off later, paint it, and then we'll put it in for good. But we're trying to get the car started. Awesome.
Hey, you just put spark plugs and headers on it, Greg.
No, I still gotta plumb the oil.
Plumb oil.
Now, the thermostat, what range does it have? What temperature range?
I guess it's a 195.
This car came from Texas.
We're gonna put in 180 in it. 427 in Arizona. We're gonna put a 180 back in it. We're gonna have to just wait and see to what it. I mean, we could pull it off and see what it is, but in the wintertime right now, it's not that big of a deal. But come summertime, we're gonna put a.
What are you doing, Adam?
Looking for hardware.
Boy, he's got a lot of empty space there, doesn't it?
It's nice.
What?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Greg put a battery down there in front of you.
Yeah, mine has a battery right here. I love all this empty space on this one. Mine has a battery
Yeah.
that fills up just that area. It's that
Yeah.
far off the front of the
Well,
motor.
And you got a power steering pump right
I
there.
got a power steering pump that's over here. Yeah.
And that one's cool because it's flexible.
I bet that dipstick's for that candy
Dude.
hand out
This one right here would screw right into it.
there. Screw it up.
That pin.
Oh.
And it's got the right dipstick.
I just put it
And it's quick release.
in. Yeah.
Works great. Look, Greg, it's flexible.
During cleanup stages, I put that one in. It's fine. During cleanup stages,
We can change it up.
we change it up.
And you can even make that sucker rivet to the foot box if you want. Over here on the side, away from the headers.
Oh, this is
Greg,
my old one.
look. Can put it over here some impossibly hard spot for Adam to reach.
Again, I want you to remember everything you make impossibly hard for Adam, you make impossibly hard for us. I just want you to do.
I'm never gonna check the oil in this thing. Are you kidding me?
Okay, then you make it impossibly hard for me. Let's not make things impossibly hard, because that's just no fun.
Where'd that vacuum line go?